guys, so we're in my bathroom. I'm gonna film how I put my hair in a half up, half down style. This is like the easiest way to do this for me, and I wanted to do this because it's something that I low-key like have always been doing, but I just figured out a better way to do it, and I was like, let me just film a quick video and show y'all how I do this. So we're doing this full hairstyle with mostly clip-in extensions, so that is why I wanted to film this. I've done this in the past, like an older video of me doing my hair with clip-in extensions, but I don't have like an up-to-date one, and I do it slightly different, so I was like, let me film this. So here's the thing, I only do this when my hair is dirty, so if I don't feel like washing my hair, I will just do like a half up, half down style. It doesn't really require my natural hair to be out. And normally I'll just throw on a wig, but I wanna do like one of these looks. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. And yeah, so let's get started. So I separate the front from the back. And my hair is really dirty, guys, because I've been wearing my hair like this, honestly, all week long. So I have some stuff in it, so that's why it kind of looks like this. I'm gonna wash it tonight, so I was like, let me show them how I do this before I wash my hair. So I'm trying my best to see what I'm doing here and get a straight part. Aware that this part wasn't straight at all, so don't worry about it being perfect, you guys. It's gonna be covered by the hair, so it's really not a big deal. So I'm gonna just take this ponytail holder and put my hair back. And this is why, while we brush this part up. So I'm basically using what I have, you guys. I didn't buy anything. Like, this is stuff I just have on hand. I'm gonna take a little bit of this Got To Be gel just to go around, and literally just enough to like put in my palms. I don't use a whole lot of this. It just gets really sticky, but I just need enough to put in my hair. I'm also gonna take some of my leave-in conditioner and put it in there too. This will also make my hair stay just a little. So kind of mix the two together. And this actually keeps my hair from being super sticky, to be honest. What's happening right now? Okay, so I'm just gonna brush this up now into a pony. And see how it's just slicking my hair down? So we take this little hair tie and secure it, make this little ponytail. So as you can see, it's pretty secure here. I'm gonna take a little more gel and slick down the sides. And normally, if I was doing a regular just pony, I would literally braid this and wrap the extensions around it. But because I'm doing a ponytail, like a high ponytail up top, I don't like to do that. My hair pretty much falls nicely, so I don't have to worry about that. It's a pretty okay length for a ponytail. So I'm just gonna take these tracks and wrap it around it. I don't need a whole lot of hair up top anyway, because most of the hair is gonna be down in the back. So that's how I do this. So this is the old school way. I know a lot of people just have those things now that just lay over your ponytail. I do have one of those, but I don't like it. I have to find a better one. My mom gave it to me, but it's just, I don't know. I don't like the way it looks on my hair. So we're just gonna do this literally the old school way. Once you wrap it around, you're just gonna pin it in the back. Right there. So I have about 4 bobby pins in my hair, which you really don't need, but You could really just use like 2 if you wrap the hair tight enough. We are gonna put a scarf around this and curl it, so don't worry. It's gonna look a little neater. In the meantime though, since we're doing the back, I'm gonna take this and just wrap it into a quick bun. We're gonna wanna cover this. So I'm gonna take some of this hair up top so that it's gonna cover these tracks. So I have enough hair here to cover these tracks in the back. Just wanna make sure you do. I'll just put all this in a bun real fast. I'm gonna take my hair and put it in a ponytail. Now this, I actually learned from Desi Perkins, believe it or not. So I'm gonna take my natural hair, put it in a pony. Anybody's arms ever get tired when they're like putting their hair up? Ugh, my arms are like tired. All right, so I have my natural hair in a ponytail back here. Nice little secure pony. I'm not making it too tight, I'm just making it secure, but it's gonna be some space here because underneath, we're gonna take one of these 3-prong clip-ins. Now this will hide your natural hair. I promise you it works. I learned this trick from Desi. I'm not sure who she learned it from, but you take your clip-in and you flip it up. So I used to do this with weave. So it's the same concept. So I just take more clip-ins, comb them out. I'm gonna make sure they're all combed out. And I start clipping them in the back over the ponytail. See that my natural hair is hidden now. So you can't even see my natural hair back here. And I'm gonna take this one. This is from Irresistible Me. I'm not sure if I still have like a coupon code with them. I got this hair 5 years ago, maybe 6. They sent me this. This right here is like, I've seen this out on other people's sites, but basically this is 4 tracks, 4 wefts in one. So it's really thick. It's almost equivalent to like a quarter of a wig. I even use this sometimes to fill out my wig. So I take this. This thing is so old, y'all, the clips are coming off. I'm gonna have to sew these clips back on. It doesn't matter because the 2 end clips are on, so I don't care. But I just clip this like halfway up because it's so much hair, you don't even need a lot of it. And then I take those middle clips and just clip them in. So we have the hair clipped on. See how it's just so much hair, it covers all of this. So now I just have a few tracks to put right up here. So I'm gonna take these last tracks and just place them all throughout the back of my head. I may just leave my hair straight like this just because I am going to babysit one of my friend's kids. So I don't really need to look super cute. It's not like I'm doing anything super special. So I'm just gonna brush all this so that it's nice and even. See, now we got our little hairdo. So while we're waiting for my flat iron to heat up, I'm gonna actually work on my edges. So I just like to take a little out here and I just like to brush them down. I'm actually not a big edges girl. Like, I've never been somebody who's been into like really slicking their edges down and all that. Like, I'm not against it. It's just not my thing. There we go. It's kind of gelled down now, so now I gotta like finesse it to come out. My camera decided to die, so we're filming this from my phone. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, you guys. It wasn't dying. I mean, I don't know what happened, but we're gonna just flat iron this right here. It sucks that we're doing this from a different frame now. So I'm gonna flat iron this right here and then blend it on in with the hair so you can see. So we're blending right now. Just gonna cover those tracks. So there we go. Okay, now we're gonna take down this part. As you can see, so now it's there. And then I'm gonna take my reel brush. Oh, this hair is driving me crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take my reel brush and just brush that. because my sides decided they wanted to pop up. All right, so my camera dies. I pull my lash off accidentally, and yeah, it's one of those days, you guys, but we're not gonna let this be one of those days, okay? We're gonna have a good day. So I'm gonna just, basically, I slicked my edges down. Let me show you guys what else I do. I take this little scarf. Let me go in here. What are we gonna use? Hairspray. Oh, okay. No, we'll just use this one. All right, so I'm gonna use the GSQ by Glam Squad holding spray. Just spray this here. You can see my hair is like slicked down now, edges combed, whatever. I'm gonna take the scarf and just lay this down. So I'm not really like the best person for edges, you guys. Like, I'm gonna just be honest, like, never been one of those girls that's good at that. So, and plus I feel like the way my hairline is set up, it just don't, like, I have edges, you know what I mean, to slick down, but it just looks weird on me. I don't know. So I've never been one of those girls. So while this, that's my natural hair. We're gonna keep going, keep going. I can't tell you guys how many times I have dropped something while filming this. We're gonna blend our natural hair in. And I'm not refilming this, okay? This is what it's gonna be. Ow, 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 ow. That's my natural hair. All right, whatever. Let's just, because for some reason, the enemy, we're not gonna say his name, he's like Voldemort to us, is not gonna let us be great. And yes, that's my natural hair showing through, but that's okay. Normally I would curl it, but we just gonna flat iron it today. Just want this to be a little more sleek, you know? So we're gonna, just these little frizzy pieces, we're gonna flat iron. Like I said, I'm not gonna curl it. I'm just gonna brush it out. Okay, so this is pretty much the style we're doing here. We got some wavy ends here. I am wearing Skims. Not the full body, I'm just wearing the shirt for this video, but I'm probably gonna just throw on some sweats with this. So let me turn around and show you guys. So this is the back. See, it's all blended in. You're good to go. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. We got our little pony situation going here. Half up, half down. Give you guys some perspective on how long these clip-ins actually are. They like go down to my boobs, so they're about right here. Super, super long. I'll show you guys some pictures, but I love these clip-ins. I pretty much used all clip-ins except for up top, but I like for my top ponytail just to have a little bit of volume to it. So yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry for all of the mayhem that was going on throughout the video, but yeah, we did our thing here. This is my last day of having dirty hair, so I was like, we are going to do this style, and then I'm gonna wash my hair tonight. So I don't know, I'll get up another hair tutorial for you guys later in the week. If you guys want to see the tutorial of me putting my hair in a ponytail, let me know. I'll do that, like just the full pony. I love that, and that's done with only clip-ins, so I can show you guys that too. It's pretty simple. I mean, I think I've seen it a million times on YouTube, so, but if you guys want to see me do it, let me know. All right, guys, love you. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.